Welcome to help screen, and if you want to get Decal ID in Roblox, first thing is just simply go to roblox.com and sign in into your account. And after that, you could just simply go to the create over here at the top. Now here on the create tab, it will redirect you to the creator hub, and you could just simply go to the store over here at the very top of the screen. Now here, you could just simply go for the decals over here down below the store. Now here you should be able to see multiple decals that are available. So you could just simply go ahead and select one that you prefer. Let's say I'll go for this one over here, Dominus Potassium. So from here, you should be able to have asset over here on the URL. So from here, in order for you to get the decal ID, it will be this number after the asset word. So just simply copy this code or decal ID or right click on it and select copy, and you will just simply paste it where you will use it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.